This creature lives where humans instantly die. At this depth, the human body doesn't panic. It doesn't scream. It collapses. Bones bend, lungs compress. Blood boils not from heat, but from pressure. And yet, something lives here. A creature perfectly adapted to a place where humans would die instantly. Tonight, we're going deeper than we were ever meant to go. Welcome to dark depths. The ocean looks calm from the surface, but that calm hides something lethal. Every 10 meters you descend, pressure increases by 1 atmosphere. At just 100 meters, the pressure would crush your lungs. At 1,000 meters, your body wouldn't even resemble a human form. Now imagine a depth so extreme that steel submersibles creak and bend under the weight. This is the abyssal zone, a region of the ocean where no sunlight reaches. Temperatures hover near freezing. Pressure exceeds 1,000 times what you feel right now. No human has ever survived here without protection, but something else has. Below 1,000 meters, light disappears completely. Not dim light, not shadows, nothing. If you turned off your submersible lights, you would see absolutely nothing, even if your eyes were wide open. This is permanent night. And in this darkness, vision becomes a weakness. So life evolved something else. The creature living here doesn't look real. Its body is soft and fragile because rigid bones would snap under pressure. Its skin is dark, absorbing what little light exists. But its most terrifying feature, it creates its own light. This is the anglerfish. The anglerfish lives at depths where food is incredibly rare. Days, sometimes weeks, pass without a single meal. So when something appears, it must not escape. The anglerfish uses a glowing organ called a lure. This light isn't decorative. It's biological. Bacteria inside the lure produce bioluminescence. In total darkness, it looks like hope. Smaller creatures drift closer, confused, curious. And then, the mouth opens. The anglerfish can swallow prey larger than its own body. There is no chase, no struggle, only disappearance. At these depths, the human body fails in seconds. Pressure forces nitrogen into your bloodstream. Lungs collapse. Oxygen delivery stops. Your brain loses consciousness almost instantly. But the anglerfish? It doesn't resist the pressure. It embraces it. Its cells are filled with special proteins that prevent collapse. Its body lacks air-filled spaces. To the anglerfish, this crushing force feels normal. To us, it's fatal. The anglerfish isn't the only thing living here. This depth is home to fang-toothed fish with teeth too large for their mouths, gulper eels that expand like balloons, transparent creatures with visible organs. None of them rely on speed. They rely on patience. Because in the deep sea, energy is precious. Movement is minimized. Time stretches. For centuries, humans thought creatures like this were myths, stories from sailors, exaggerations, until deep-sea cameras captured the truth, floating, motionless, a single light in endless black. Scientists weren't afraid because it attacked. They were afraid because it made sense. Life had adapted perfectly to a place we could never belong. If life can survive here, in freezing darkness, under crushing pressure, without sunlight, then life could exist almost anywhere, deep beneath alien oceans, under icy moons, in places we haven't even imagined. The deep sea isn't just terrifying, it's a reminder. Earth still holds secrets. At this depth, humans don't explore. We observe from a distance, because the deep sea doesn't welcome us. It tolerates nothing, and it's still hiding more. This is Dark Depths. Subscribe. Before we go deeper,